We're going to talk about the reason for low flow water in your bathroom, otherwise pressure. All faucets usually come with an aerator. That's that little thing at the very end of the spout. This one here happens to have a flow restrictor back inside the wall, so there's nothing you can do about that. But your aerator is what slows the flow of water down on it. And as it builds up with lime, you got to clean it. And a lot of times you can only clean it, maybe soak it in vinegar or something like that. So that's where your flow restrictors come in. That everybody thinks the faucet's gone bad or whatever it is, but it's usually the aerator. If you can get it off, you clean it or go buy a new one. It might last for a little while. If you can't clean it, put another one in it. Okay? That's a bathroom faucet right there. Okay? If your toilet is filling up slow, it used to fill up pretty fast, and filling up slow, that's probably the ball cock that's giving you a problem with it, or the fill valve is another thing. That's what the supply line is connected to. You can replace that. Just get another one, put another one in, set the water level, and that's done. But as far as the flush goes, that's all in the design of the toilet itself, and how much water, the height of the water of the tank, and the design of the bowl to take out the waste. Shower heads. So if you had good flow in your shower, okay, it's either the flow restrictor that's in the head part right here, where it's right in here, usually it's located right at the very top of it. There's usually a screen there or a flow restrictor there, and it's got to be cleaned. You know, nowadays the way it's forced in there, you got to try to clean it all out, maybe soak it in vinegar. If you got a bunch of lime building up around the outside of this, you put that in vinegar and kind of brush it all off, and that'll get off that lime. But that's what'll slow your flow down on your shower heads, okay? You know, because usually when they're brand new, they'll work much better, and as they get older, they start slowing down on it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I love answering your questions if I can, you know. But, you know, just leave me a comment and we'll answer it. Thank you. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions, and if you don't believe what I got to say, ask your minister.